Students, in the previous class we studied all the gas laws and the derivation of ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT. In this class we are going to study about Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution of molecular velocities. A gas at low pressure contains a large number of molecules. These molecules are in random motion. The motion of these molecules will cause the collision with one another and with the walls of the container. But there is no change in momentum happening during these collisions. At any moment, the molecules of the gas move in all possible directions with all possible velocities between 0 and infinity. Such a situation can be analyzed using Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law of velocities. Here, dN by n is the fraction of molecules possessing the velocities between C and C plus dC, where small c is the initial velocity of the molecule and dC is the change in velocity of the molecule. The equation can be written as dN by n is equal to 4 pi m by 2 pi kt the whole raised to 3 by 2 c square e raised to minus mc square by 2 kt into dc, where small m is the mass of the gas, k is we already studied Boltzmann constant, pi is 3.14, T is the temperature, and then capital T, all other things that we already studied, where the term E is equal to minus mc square by 2 kt dc is the Boltzmann factor. This equation is known as Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law of molecular velocities. We have to study this equation and each term involved in it for the exam. This slide shows the terms involved in Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution equation. Capital N is the total number of molecules in the gas and dN is the number of molecules with velocities in the range from C to C plus dC. Pi is the mathematical constant 22 by 7, that is 3.14. M is mass of the single gas molecule, that is molecular mass, which is same for all molecules in a single gas. Capital M is the molar mass. Capital M, molar mass M is equal to mass of the gas into Avogadro's number. K is, which is Boltzmann constant, that is gas constant per molecule. R is the gas constant, R by Na is the Boltzmann constant. T is the temperature of the gas in Kelvin, C lower value of the velocity, and dC is the velocity interval or change in velocity of gas molecules. The Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution of molecular velocities can be plotted by taking a velocity on the x-axis and fraction of molecules on y-axis. This plot shows the relative position of three types of velocities. From this plot, it is clear that the fraction of molecules having velocities greater than 0 increases with the increase in velocity. It reaches a maximum value and then decreases towards 0 at higher values of velocity. That is, important two conclusions are obtained from this graph. One is the fraction of molecules with too low or too high velocities are very small. Similarly, there is a certain velocity for which the fraction of molecules is maximum. It corresponds to the peak of the curve. This velocity is called most probable velocity. This slide shows the effect of temperature on molecular velocities. Again, a graph is drawn with the velocity on the x-axis and fraction of molecules on the y-axis. At two different temperatures, T1 and T2. T2 must be at higher value than T1. This graph indicates that the most probable velocity increases with increase in temperature. The entire curve shifts towards the right with increase in temperature. Thus, The increase in temperature increases the fraction of molecules having higher velocity. From the plot of Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution of molecular velocities, it is clear that there are three types of velocities: most probable velocity, mean velocity, and RMS velocity, that is root mean square velocity. The most probable velocity is the higher peak of the curve, that is in the Cp. It is defined as the velocity possessed by maximum number of molecules of a gas at a given temperature. Whereas the average velocity is the arithmetic mean of different velocities possessed by the molecules of the gas at a different temperature, which can be calculated by taking the average of the velocities possessed by all the molecules divided by the number of molecules. Here it is calculated as C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus etc. up to Cn divided by n, where C1, C2, C3 etc. and to Cn are the individual velocities of the gas molecules, and n is the total number of molecules. The root mean square velocity or RMS velocity is the square root of the mean of the squares of different velocities possessed by the molecules of a gas at a given temperature. It can be calculated as C1 square plus C2 square plus C3 square plus etc. to Cn square by n the whole raised to 1 by 2, where C1, C2, C3 etc. to Cn are the individual velocities of the gas molecules and n is the total number of molecules. If a group of molecule possess the velocities C1, C2, C3 etc., then the equation becomes N1 C1 square plus N2 C2 square N3 C3 square divided by N1 plus N2 plus etc. the whole raised to 1 by 2, where C1, C2, C3 are the velocities possessed by group of molecules N1, N2, N3 etc. Derivation of mathematical expression for most probable velocity Cp. We have Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution equation dn divided by n is equal to 4 pi into m by 2 pi kt the whole raised to 3 by 2 c square e raised to minus mc square by 2 kt dc. On differentiating this equation with respect to c, we get the following equation as written below. In this equation, you notice that the factor m by 2 pi kt the whole raised to 3 by 2 is a constant, but not equal to 0. Similarly, the factor, that is Boltzmann factor e raised to minus mc square by 2 kt is also not equal to 0. So, in order to get 0 as the answer, the third term 8 pi c plus 4 pi c square minus mc by kt should be 0. On solving this equation, we get Cp is equal to root of 2 kt by m or square root of 2 RT by m, where k is the Boltzmann constant, small m is the mass of the gas, and R is the gas constant, and capital M is the molecular mass of the gas. In the same way, the mathematical expression for average velocity also can be derived, and it is equal to square root of 8 kt by pi m or square root of 8 RT by pi m, where k is the Boltzmann constant, T is the temperature, R is the gas constant, small m is the mass of the gas, and capital M is the molar mass of the gas. The mathematical expression for root mean square velocity can also be derived, and which is equal to square root of 3 kt by m or 3 RT by capital M, or RT is equal to PV, therefore we can be written as square root of 3 PV by M, or again mass by volume is equal to density, so we can put rho. in this equation, and which is again equal to square root of 3p by rho, where rho is the density of the gas. These are all about today's portion. You have to study all the mathematical expressions for most probable velocity, average velocity, and root mean square velocity for doing the problems in physical chemistry. Thank you.